Yeah, my favorite student name is Sami. Okay, mashallah, good student. He is good student because he is reading very good. Well, mashallah, very intelligent. Okay, read with me. What is this first letter? Alif. What is this? Alif. This one is Alif. And second is this one Ba. Okay. First Alif and next Ba. Carefully sit. Mashallah, mashallah. Alif and Ba. Read with me. Alif, Ba,
Say ba.
Alif,
Alif.
Ba, Alif, Ba,
Say alif. Keep saying it. You have to say it.
Alif, Ba, Alif, Ba, Alif, Ba, Alif,
Say alif.
Ba. Yeah, okay. We will read now Kalima. What? Kalima.
That's my teacher.
Yeah, I am your teacher. Listen to me. I am your teacher. You are my favorite student. Okay?
Are you teacher?
Mashallah, you are my favorite student. Okay, read with me. Bismillah,
Bismillah.
Bismillah,
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Say bismillah.
Now, Sami, before starting everything, what dua you will read? Bismillah. What you will read? Bismillah. What you will read? Bismillah. Sami, listen to me. What you will read before starting everything? Bismillah. What?
Are you teacher?
Say bismillah.
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 Yeah, Bismillah. What you will read before every thing?
I don't know.
Before starting everything, what dua you will read? Bismillah. What?
Bismillah.
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 Bismillah. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Yeah. For
This is my head.
this will read in which time? Before starting everything.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, mashallah, very good student. Okay, very good student name is Sami. My favorite student name is Sami. Mashallah. Sami. Okay. Before starting everything, what dua you will read?
Start everything.
Before starting everything, dua Bismillah. You will read what dua? Bismillah. What?
Bismillah.
Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Okay, we are playing the game. Say one time you read, one time I will read. Bismillah. Now your turn. Bismillah.
Listen.
Say Bismillah. Bismillah.
Good job, Sami.
Sami, listen to me. Sami, Bismillah. Say Bismillah.
Say bismillah.
Say
Bismillah.
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 Before everything. Before everything. What do you will read? Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Oh, nice. I will send for you gift, inshallah, in chat room, inshallah, in chat, in messages. Stars, sun. Okay? Yeah. What you will read before I will start, before start everything?
Don't you?
Bismillah. Bismillah.
Don't you?
After you're done. After you're done.
Say
I
Bismillah.
want to do it.
Say Bismillah.
Say Bismillah.
No, not that year.
I'm your teacher. You are my favorite student. Okay? Every day you will read with me. Okay? We will read every day. We will play game, inshallah, also. Okay?
Hey,
Yeah, it's game. Now your turn. One time I will read. After that your turn. I am reading Bismillah. Now your turn. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. One time my turn, one time your turn. Bismillah. Okay, okay, your mom, you and I am will read Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Okay,
Listen.
we will read
Together.
Bismillah, 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 Bismillah. Now Sami's turn. Say Bismillah, Bismillah. Say
Bismillah. Bismillah.
MashaAllah, sister, Alhamdulillah. It's memorized Bismillah later. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Good job, Sammy.
Oh,
MashaAllah.
now your turn, Sami. Tell me.
Bismillah.
Oh, nice.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah.
Sami, one time more read. Bis.
Bismillah.
Oh, Bismillah.
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 Okay, sister, now your turn. One time you read.
Bismillah.
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 Oh, mashallah.
This is how.
Oh,
MashaAllah.
Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. 3-word memorization completed, inshallah. 10 minutes. Alhamdulillah, very intelligent boy. Mashallah.
Yeah, MashaAllah. Good job, Sammy.
Oh, actually, in general life, as little small kid, not
is
3 words in first time. It's not. Yeah.
Yeah. MashaAllah.
Mashallah, mashallah. Say, Sami, one time tell me your lesson.
What did you say today? Bis.
Now your turn. Yeah,
Bis.
Sami, tell me. Tell me.
Bis.
One time more.
Bismillah.
Bismillah, 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 Bismillah. Bismillah.
Listen.
Today I had to listen to my teacher. Go away.
Oh, my favorite student name is.
Sammy.
Oh, nice. You are my favorite student. Oh, good, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. My favorite student, Sami. Now you can
This
tell me
box-
your lesson.
And this boxing.
Oh, very fresh student. MashaAllah. Tell me your lesson now.
Boxing's not talking.
Say, what's your lesson?
Your
What
lesson.
did you learn?
Boxing.
Say no. Say bis. No. Bismillah. Remember? Bismillah. What did your teacher? What did the teacher?
Sami, listen to me. Carefully read. You are a good student. MashaAllah. Okay.
I had to go to the party. Mom was hating. My mom was hating. No, I used to party.
Listen.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Very good student. Look on the screen. Okay. Look on the screen. What letter on screen? This one. This one. Which
Sammy,
one? Which one?
What's it?
Alif.
Alif.
Alex.
This look. This is Alif.
Alif.
Alif. Look.
Alex.
Yeah.
Alex. That one.
This one. This one.
That one's.
Sami, we will read today only one letter. Sami, listen to me, Sami.
Listen, Sammy.
Sami, this one. What's your favorite color? Tell me.
Blue.
Blue.
Spider-Man.
Okay, blue. Okay, blue. This one, Alif. This one, Alif. This. Okay. Okay.
The other blue.
Blue. Alif. Alif. It's Alif.
Alex.
Alif. What is this letter? Alif. Now,
Alif.
okay. Okay, sister. What's your mom's favorite color, Sami?
Oh boy.
Huh? Purple. Oh, nice. Purple.
Purple.
Oh, very intelligent student. Purple. Okay. Purple. Also, we will.
That's not purple.
Okay, purple Alif. This one also Alif. Purple. Alif.
Alex.
Oh.
Alex right here.
And now you tell me Ibrahim's favorite color.
Blue.
Blue. Blue. And Nadine?
And Nadine, what's Nadine's favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Also pink. Okay.
Okay.
Pink. Okay. Look on the screen. Smi, look on the screen. We will read again Alif. We will type. It's Alif. Again Alif. 3 Alif. 3 Alif.
Again?
It's 3 Alif. 3 Alif. Yeah.
Blue and pink.
3 Alif. 1, 2, and 3. 3 Alif. MashaAllah. What's your Alif in these threes? Blue first. This one.
Which one is Sammy's? Which one is Sammy?
Blue.
This is not pink.
Pink. Okay, pink. Okay, no issue. Pink, blue, pink, and purple. Purple, not in this one. Okay. Tell me today's dua. Bis.
No, come back.
Bis. Bismil.
This listen to your teacher.
Bismil.
Bismillah.
Oh, nice, mashallah. And what your lesson? A blue letter? Tell me.
Is this blue?
Huh?
What is the letter?
This one. Oh, nice. MashaAllah, sister. This class is completed today. I think he is tired now. Alhamdulillah. 3 letters.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah.
Alif. Yeah, mashallah. Good job, Sammy.
Okay, Sami,
Happy
listen to me. Listen to your teacher. Today your class time finish, and tomorrow, inshallah, you will take class same time. Okay? You will ready tomorrow? Say inshallah.
Say inshallah.
This is mama.
Yeah, say inshallah.
This is mama.
Tomorrow you will come to same time, okay, for class.
No, something wrong. Something wrong with the TV. You know the ball did that.
But lesson is very important. After lesson is other activity, okay?
Inshallah.
MashaAllah, good student.
Good job, Sammy.
Good job, MashaAllah. Okay, now, Sami, you can go now. You are very good reading today, MashaAllah. Your class time finished. Say Assalamu alaikum. Say Assalamu alaikum. Okay, take care. Goodbye. MashaAllah.